Knowing how to use good speech has nothing wonderful. It's like having a Ferrari. If you don't know how to drive, it's just an expensive car that you can't use. So what good is it? But knowing how to watch circumstances is a top person. That's why a wise man was talking about. He said, I'm only interested in two types of people. One is a person who has something and doesn't know it. And no, two, a person who knows how to watch it. One is a person who has something and doesn't know it. And no, two, a person who knows how to watch it. Now, most people become anxious, worried, stressed. Why? Because they're only looking at the problem. They're only looking at the issue. They're only focusing on the negative side. They're only reading the bad news. Have you noticed this, right? But we can always change our attitude towards the circumstances. There are some people who make it a point to read the negative comments about themselves, about their work, about their product, about their service. Why do they do it? Because they want more of it. You attract what you think about. You attract what you focus on. What do you mean by watching circumstances? Let me tell you, why do they do it? Because they want more of it. You attract what you think about. You attract what you focus on. So most people complain. They say, oh, life is so difficult. Nothing is happening in my favor. Joyful or sorrowful? And I want you to answer this question honestly. Are you complaining about your circumstances, or are you thankful for what you have? Are you thankful for the situation you are in? Because circumstances can make or break you. Circumstances can lift you up or pull you down. It all depends upon how you react to it. It all depends upon how you respond to it. It all depends upon what you do with it. But a wise man was talking about. He said, I'm only interested in two types of people. One is a person who has something and doesn't know it. And number two, a person who knows how to watch it. Life is full of circumstances, situations. We have good times and bad times. We have pleasant circumstances and unpleasant circumstances, he said. I want to be interested in people who are interested in watching it. Now, what does he mean by that? Most people who watch circumstances do it alone. They keep it to themselves. They don't share it with others. A wise man was talking about, he said. Not only should you be interested in watching circumstances, you should be interested in people who are interested in watching it. In other words, surround yourself with people who are knowledgeable, experienced, wise, who know the trends, who know the signals, who know the language of circumstances. We have joyful occasions and sorrowful occasions. We have ups and downs, good days and bad days. You understand this, right? Life is full of circumstances. Now, most people complain when the circumstances are not good. They complain when they don't have money. They complain when they don't have their targets are not met. They thank their luck. They thank their stars. And they say, oh, everything is fine now. Everything is all right now. Whether you have something or you don't have it. Whether you are moving towards success or you are moving towards failure. These are the circumstances. The stock market is a circumstance. Do you know how to read it? The economy of your country is a circumstance. Do you know how to read it? The trends in your business is a circumstance. Do you know how to read it? How many of us know the language of circumstances? How many of us know how to read these signs and signals? Most of us don't. Hence, we miss what life is offering us. We miss the opportunities. We miss the blessings because we don't know how to watch circumstances. Things are going well now, but a wise man was talking about. He said, I'm only interested in two types of people. One is a person who has something and doesn't know it. And no. Two, a person who knows how to watch it. What does he mean? They complain when things don't happen the way they want. And then they say life is so difficult. Life is so hard. Life is so complicated. On the other hand, when things begin to go well for them, then they thank God or they thank somebody. You know, there are certain signs, signals, indications that tell you whether your life is going well or not. A wise man was talking about this. He said, I'm only interested in two types of people. On the other hand, there are some people who make it a point to read only good things about themselves, about their work, about their product, about their service. Now, I want you to pay attention to the third part of this statement. Friends, I want to ask you a simple question. What kind of circumstances are you living in today? Is it good or bad? pleasant or unpleasant. May I remind you of a simple truth: we may not be able to change the circumstances,